今年真的是第一次在台北，也就是我老家。对，因为我这是一个名副其实的安森 Boy，you know 安森 Boy， 大安森林公园。
哦，天龙人。
对，不能这样说，因为天龙这个很多人可能会对他有那种有资产阶级的这种感觉，我们不能这样子。安森 Boy 就是安森 Boy， 对。
你就要讲到蚵仔煎啊，有争议，你不是觉得
蚵仔煎没有争议，蚵仔煎是绝对的真理。我虽然我们之前每一年都在不同地方跨年都有演出，但其实今年真的是第一次在台北，也就是我老家。对，因为我这是一个名副其实的安森 Boy。对，安森 Boy，you know 安森 Boy， 大安森林公园。
哦，天龙人就这样。
对，不能这样说，因为天龙这个很多人可能会对他有那种有资产阶级的这种感觉，我们不能这样子。对，我们现在来到2025年，安森 Boy 就是安森 Boy， 对对，这那个天龙 Boy 那种感觉是好像是相对的一种概念，但是我不会这么自称，我是天龙 Boy， 我是安森 Boy。音乐的话继续听，那蚵仔煎的话也要继续吃，这样。
你就要讲到蚵仔煎啊，有争议，你不是觉得
蚵仔煎没有争议，蚵仔煎是绝对的真理。对，
或者说你不是觉得圆环边的最好吃？
南机场圆环边也不错，南机场嘛，然后瑞丰啊，瑞丰真的我真的觉得宁夏、南机场、瑞丰，我真的觉得都非常好吃。但我也不是说贬低其他的蚵仔煎的意思，因为我本身也是属于这个蚵仔煎的和平使者，所以就每个人对自己的蚵仔煎有不同的味。有些人喜欢有点一点，有些人喜欢 Q 一点，有些人喜欢尖一点，有些人喜欢那种长得像章鱼烧的，也很好吃。我也没有贬低的意思，但我觉得就是这是一个包容的世界，大家用不一样的角度、不一样的去理解对方彼此的想法，我们才可以共创一个美好的新未来。你说对不对？
对。
It's like a lot of fun. He's nuts!
Yes. Stage presence too.
Yeah! It's a little wild. I'm intrigued so far. Ooh, French and English. A man after my Canadian heart. Wow, his wardrobe's cool.
Not the most accurate scat, but sounds really good.
Actually, for what it's worth, there's a very French. It reminds me very much of French.
Yeah.
They're very like the bell bottoms, and they're very playful and like kind of quirky and very playful and very. Considering how many times, it's reasonably accurate.
Yeah.
This is a performance piece.
Yes.
It's a little wild.
Yeah.
No. This is the kind of guy that at a show backstage you're like, holy, whoa, sit down. Like you can tell that he's wild backstage. I always say, back when I did like variety shows, it's always the magician.
Oh.
The magician is always the one that's like, hey, how you doing? Oh, I got a quarter behind your ear. What's that? And I think he'd be like very, very energetic.
Yeah.
Mary, Mary, country queen, close your eyes and make a way. Little high, little low, little right, baby. No.
Okay, no vibrato.
Yeah.
Okay, so his thing, he does have some agility, but his claim to fame, if you will, is this. It's the show, it's the personality, and he has enough technique underneath to bring it to life. But is he like the best technical singer? Meh. But not the point. He has enough that he's doing the show. Yeah. But that long note, I think if he had vibrato really, really right in his pocket, that note would have wanted some better. Vibrato, I think. Yeah. That was fun! He's nuts!
Yes. Stage presence too.
Yeah!
That's a lot.
He's wild!
That's a lot.
It's like a lot of fun.
No
I'm liking him.
Wow.
Already.
I'm liking it so far.
Wow.
You don't like it?
1, 2, 3.
Did he say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4? Wow, his wardrobe's cool. Wardrobe's weird. It's pretty intense.
Yeah, it's a little
Woo!
完全没跟我说，说好了要联络，却失去了联络。诺亚开了方舟。
I'm liking him.
Wow.
Already.
I'm liking it so far.
Wow.
没有通知我，他们无独有偶。
I definitely like him.
沉默，明月独上西楼，完全没跟我说。
You don't like it? Ticking a lot of boxes for me.
He's more technical than
Technical,
A lot
but
of-
playful. And when
Yes.
when a singer or artist can get on stage and be really adventurous with their voice and take a lot of risks, right? I talk
right,
about that.
right.
Taking a lot of risks, changing registration wildly, boldly.
Yeah.
I know that there's skill underneath that, and you have my interest immediately because I know you're taking risks that could fail.
我喝一杯，
Oh, I like it!
低头看着我，我却太不知痛。
When you slightly miss a note, but you're taking this much risk,
Yeah.
it's like, whatever, this is
Yeah.
so fun. It's really good.
And he's enjoying the stage.
Yes!
to me，却假装毫不在意。
Here for the vibrato, it's very, I'm trying to think who's the jazz singer that it's reminding me of. It's very jazz, though. It's
Very
something
jazz.
very jazzy. It's funny, he's like cowboy hat and like half of Justin Timberlake and Britney Spears from that weird jean debacle they had in the early 2000s, but it's nothing to do with country. It's more jazz, in fact. It's jazz inspired.
时间它长得明明像埋了千年的伏笔，要比填写日记，只是我看地风景，只剩自己。哔哩吧，哒哔哩哔哩吧哒哔哩哒哒，哒哔哩哒哒哒哒哒哒哒。Alright, alright, babe.
I really like him!
Not the most accurate scat, but sounds really good.
Okay, fine.
Right?
I'm glad you pointed that out, but I would add that that's not the brand. That's not the brand.
Uh-huh.
Not that it wouldn't be, it's always good to be as accurate as humanly possible,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that always ups the enjoyment and ups the
Yes.
like fast, woo. But I'm here for the performance. I am here for the adventure. I'm probably not going to put this on when I drive. But to me, I see skill under here. I see artistry under
Yes,
here.
yes.
Artistry,
Yes, yes,
adventure.
yes.
I love that.
要别走写日记，是习惯看电影。
Actually, for what it's worth, there's a very French. It reminds me very much of French.
Yeah.
They're very like the bell bottoms and they're very playful and like kind of quirky and very playful and very
风景只剩自己，
You
你独上西楼，完全不想回。
a little bit more neutral, natural this time. She's got a little less of the thing.
Yeah.
A little bit less. Never mind. Never mind. Holy crap! Those earrings are a full shandy.
Yeah.
Swing off those puppies. But she's beautiful.
She is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a JJ song.
JJ song.
Oh, really?
It's a really hard song.
Okay, cool.
It is hard.
至少丰富出爱的颜色，曾经有。
It's supposed to be a riff there? Wah, or something?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Some stare.
Yeah.
She's like a little bit more neutral, natural this time. She's
Yeah.
got a little less of the thing. A
Yeah.
little bit less.
的人
Never mind. Never mind.
的地方和那些走过的，请当一当。梦为努力浇了水，爱在背后往前推。等我抬起头再翻，也不能睡。
So I find of her, I kind of pointed this out last time. I find her H-y or whatever. Like, I think we
yeah.
fought about calling it that, but ha ha. No, ha ha.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha. It's like,
She has a little bit H problem.
Well, or maybe not a problem, maybe a personal style. For me, I would take it out maybe.
哪里都是美，一定有个人他也做得更，感觉上丰富窗外的夜色，是不是忘了谁，累到整夜。
I heard her natural voice on one note.
忘了谁。
You hear?
Yes.
Shit.
Yes, that's a natural tone. That's a
Yeah,
natural tone.
beautiful. Holy crap, those earrings are a full shandy.
Yeah.
Swing off those puppies. I bet that's heavy. Woo, they're beautiful.
仅有那一刻，回头竟然认不得，却要从记忆在摸索的人，和他们关心的地方，和那些走过的。梦为努力浇了水，爱在背后往前推。当我抬起头再发觉，我是不是忘了和谁？累到整夜。
Lay down to hell. It's that, huh?
真夜
Yeah,
真夜
yeah.
It's like the end of phrases she likes to
Emphasize.